Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about motion and types of motion. So let's say some example. Think about some objects around you. A car is going by, or some ants or mosquitoes are going from one place to another, or a table is kept somewhere, or you are moving some object, or a bag is placed at one place. So which objects are moving? Which objects are at rest? How did you decide? How did you decide that table was at rest? How did you decide that bag is at rest? And the ants are moving. The car is moving. So we decided by whether or not objects changing their position. Like if I say the car was continuously changing the position from one place to another place, one position to another position. If I say the ant was going from one position to another position, one place to another place. A man is moving from one position to another position. So we can say they are in motion or they are in moving. Yes. So motion is if an object changes its position with respect to the time, it is said to be in motion, right? So if the object changes its position with respect to the time, it is in motion, and if the object is not changing its position with respect to time, so it is said to be at rest. Now there are many types of motion, but in this video we are going to study about three types of motion. They are rectilinear motion, circular motion and periodic motion. So let's see one by one. Okay, just assume about some example. Motion of vehicle along straight line. March past of a soldiers in a parade ground along a straight line. Sprinters running in 100-meter race along a straight line. So what common thing you find in all the motion? Yes, they all are moving along a straight line. So rectilinear motion is the motion in which objects move along a straight line, right? So in which object moves along a straight line. Now let's go on to another motion, another type. So let's assume some example. Motion of the blade of a fan are along circular path, motion of hands of the clock along circular path, or motion of the fidget spinner along circular path. If you see in all these examples, there is one common thing. Everything is moving along a circular path, making a circle. Yes, you can assume some more example. You can think of other examples also. So what kind of motion this will be? Yes, rightly said. It will be circular motion. The motion in which objects move along circular path is called circular motion. Next, we will move to another type. So let's assume some example of a branch of tree moving to and fro after an interval of time, or a swing machine, needle moving up and down after interval of a time, or string of a guitar moving up and down, and membrane of drums. Same. So if you find in these motions, everything is repeating itself after interval of time. Coming from one place, then going another, then again coming from that place, again going to that another place. So moving from one place to another place and repeating their self. Yes. So repetitive motion is there. So this is called as periodic motion. The motion in which an object repeats its motion after interval of a time is called periodic motion.